Wonder Boy got your egg. Welcome to Wonder Boy. I want you to subscribe to this channel. I bring you cooking, I bring you farming, I bring you fishing, I bring you hunting, I bring you all of those good stuff. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Well, he watching the eggs them, and he guarding the eggs them. Ladies and gentlemen, you don't want me to get the eggs them, watch him. Smart. See? Smart, ladies and gentlemen, but I'm taking his eggs. Trust me. I'm taking his eggs, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want me to take his eggs. You know what he did? He kicked it off. But I'm still taking his egg, ladies and gentlemen. You just have to watch him. You take the eggs, you gotta watch this male. Male smart, so you gotta watch him. But you don't want me to get the egg. See him watching the egg, look. Coming around each time him see the eggs rolling. But I'm gonna set it up different, ladies and gentlemen, where I just drive in, pick up the eggs, and let it kick the chop. See it here? Nice ostrich egg, ladies and gentlemen. I'm getting there. So far I got 15 of these in the incubator. So I'm keeping up the production. So when they lay, I just put them in the incubator one time. So, but this is the male where you gotta be careful of. He's very knowledgeable about everything. See? Don't really bother me too much, but the stranger come at the fence side, he kick the fence.
What?
Don't touch me.
Well, you wondering what I'm doing with the egg. So this is it. Wanted to like, share, subscribe. Big up Wonder Boy. See? Wonder Boy got your egg.
What?
Like, share, subscribe. Big up Wonder Boy. Don't keep Wonder Boy to yourself. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Watch your head.
What?
Big up Wonder Boy. Peace out.
What?